If I had to sum up my IU experience in one word, it would be holistic.
I would say motivating.
In one word, sum up my IU experience, that's hard.
Incredible.
One word to sum up my IU experience. Can I choose two?
Serendipitous.
Innovative.
I really do think the word fulfilling sums it up.
Definitely growth and opportunity.
In terms of student involvement experiences, I definitely have to say one of my particular favorites has been working with Alpha Chi Sigma, which is the professional chemistry fraternity here on campus. For the past 3 years, I've served as our mental health and morale chair.
While at IU, some student involvement experiences I've had are attending the Little 500 while also writing in the Little 500. I rode for Army Cycling for 3 years and was captain this most recent year.
I am a member of the Sigma Iota Rho International Studies Honor Society. I have served on the event planning committee of Big Brothers Big Sisters at Indiana University. And I've also fulfilled a lot of roles in the Office of International Services.
My membership in Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, it has completely transformed my experience here at IU. And also, I would say my membership on the Board of Eons.
Well, what I'd like to highlight is my time working as a student assistant at the IU Asian Culture Center. I really appreciated having the opportunity to start a student organization, and I started one up with my peer called People of Color for Policy Advocacy.
So I've been very fortunate to be able to work with ROTC, the Reserve Officer Training Program. While in that program, I came to realize that there was no medical training for the cadets. And myself, as a trained combat medic, I wanted to bring that to the program. I've had the pleasure of serving in IU student government, at this point in all 3 branches to some capacity, most recently in the Supreme Court and working on the IU Student Board of Conduct.
I've been a part of research in the Speech Language Hearing Sciences department. I'm an honor student there, so I get to help mentor the junior honor student who will be coming up after me. And I'm also a part of the Hoosier Scholars Mentor Collective, where I get to mentor first-year students coming into IU and help them get acquainted with college life.
Some professional and academic experiences I've had here at IU are the great internship opportunities that my field of study have given me. For instance, being able to intern on Capitol Hill and get involved in think tanks such as the American Enterprise Institute. I've been able to attend several policy conferences throughout the country.
I've been a member of the Ragsdale Lab for the past 3 years now, which is incredible that it's been that long. And I have just had the most wonderful experience. I've had incredible mentorship through the lab and really gotten to sort of sink my teeth into science, which I think is a really unique experience to have as an undergrad.
Some of my favorite professional and academic experiences come from my involvement with the Chin Languages Research Project. So this is an initiative that assists the Chin community of Indianapolis, which is a refugee community coming from Burma.
This past summer, I was very fortunate to have the opportunity to serve as a Daniel C. Smith philanthropy and fundraising intern. I got to organize Lead Day with another group of students, and that is essentially, it stands for Legislative Education and Advocacy Day, and so we take a big group of students to the Indiana State House and advocate for policies, things that we want to address and kind of bring up with our state legislators.
This past summer, I was able to go to Paris, France to work with a organization called Planète Enfants et Développement. They work with child protection and maternal health care across the globe, and it certainly solidified my intention to continue working with women and children in my future career, kind of helping them and serving those communities.
I really have enjoyed working as what's known as a risk management first responder, basically an EMT at the sports complex, the SRC and field house. Truly one of my better working experiences. Like, I've been a part of many teams as a summer camp counselor, in the Army, as an RA here at IU. My favorite team has been with the RM team.
Some of my favorite professional and academic experiences here at IU have by far been the opportunity to go to research conferences. I've gone to 2 national research conferences, one in Arizona and one in Ohio. And going there as a junior last year among PhD candidates or PhD students are already people in the professional world was really exciting.
My advice to future IU student leaders would be to really sort of embrace the process and what you're passionate about.
My advice for IU leaders is to set future leaders up for success.
I would say that being a leader fully depends on being a listener. So listen to those that you wish to advocate for and that you wish to support, because without doing so, their needs will be lost.
Sometimes, just being kind or being gracious or understanding, that goes a long way, and not just team unity, but also bringing your organization together as a whole.
It's going to be scary, it's going to be hard, and yeah, it's going to be pretty challenging. But just remember that there are always people there to support you, whether that be your family, your friends, peers, and professors.
My advice for future IU student leaders would definitely be to pursue any opportunities that you come across, even if it's something you don't think, oh, I couldn't do that, I wouldn't succeed in that role.
Go lead in the thing that you're good at, that may be a secret or hidden talent of yours that no one really knows exists, and go bring it to the world.
Here at IU, I really hope that my legacy is one of service and compassion. Throughout all my time here, in every role I have been able to hold, I have really hoped to really be compassionate with those that I meet.
The legacy I hope to leave here at IU is developing the future generation of leaders. My hope is to develop others and hopefully continue the programs I've been involved in and improve upon them.
You don't necessarily have to do something like extravagant or profound to make a difference here or leave behind a legacy. I feel like I've had my hand in a bunch of little different things about IU, but that's completely diversified my experience here and has made my time here at IU that much more significant.
And I hope the infrastructure that I've set for some of the clubs I've been a part of continues to live on and students are able to utilize that.
I want to leave a stronger community that cares about each other. I hope through my work in creating a club and bring people together in that sense, being a part of something bigger than me, IU student government, that I've at least imparted upon those around me, just a sense of, hey, we're in this together.
The legacy I hope to leave at IU is really just a legacy of change and growth, kind of a mindset amongst the younger students, telling them that they should pursue opportunities and anything that they can do to kind of leave their mark on IU, whether it's physical or something that they see in themselves. That's the kind of legacy I want to leave.